In front of me we have an Apple Watch Ultra, and it was sent in for a cracked screen. So the way you would repair this at home with no tools, you would just take a look at where the crack is, just grab something, just go right underneath, and that's how you repair the cracked glass on an Apple Watch Ultra. So in actuality, the Apple Watch Ultra has sapphire glass on there. Some of the older models of the Apple Watch, they also sold the sapphire models. Usually these, these are a lot harder than the standard Apple Watch glass that they use. So it is very resistant to cracks and scratches, but it can happen. And if it does happen, we could replace that for you guys. But before sending it in, or if you're wondering how much it will cost, just go ahead, take a look, and if it looks like there might be a screen protector on there, go ahead and take that off, and you would have repaired your cracked glass. Once you took a look at it, and if you can confirm that it's not a screen protector on there, but that the screen is actually cracked, or touch is messed up or something like that, just go ahead and fill out a repair form at joesge.com, send it in, and we'll have the screen replaced for you.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.